In this video we're breaking down the FIT Mastercard, a credit card marketed toward people with bad or limited credit. Unlike secured cards, the FIT Mastercard doesn't require a security deposit, and it reports to all three major credit bureaus, helping you build or rebuild your credit history over time. You start with a $400 credit limit, and responsible use may qualify you for a credit increase later. Now let's talk about the downsides, and there are quite a few. The FIT Mastercard comes with hefty fees, a one-time $89 setup fee, a $99 annual fee, and monthly maintenance fees after the first year. Its APR sits around 35.9%, which is extremely high. These charges can eat up your available credit before you even make your first purchase, leaving you with less usable balance and a higher credit utilization rate. There are also no rewards or perks, and customer feedback about service delays and activation issues is mixed at best. While it can help build credit with consistent on-time payments, the overall cost is steep compared to other beginner-friendly cards. In short, the FIT Mastercard should only be a last resort option if you can't qualify for a secured or low-fee alternative. Pay off balances in full and keep usage low to see any real benefit. Use it carefully. Your goal is to build credit, not more debt.